yo, so excited you're here. We're gonna have an amazing guest speaker, Roman Rosario. It's a digital marketing expert. He's gonna teach you how to use artificial intelligence to earn more money. So with that being said, Roman, take it away. Make sure you're taking a lot of notes because he's gonna drop absolute fire. Let's go.
Have you ever asked yourself any of these questions? How do I get more customers? What should my website say? How do I follow up to land this client? How do I time block work to have more free time? What should I post on my social media today? How can I automate this? The bottom line is that artificial intelligence equals more free time and more money. Literally, in 5 minutes, you can create a single post, no problem. What we're gonna give you at conference this year, for the first time ever, is a step-by-step plan for getting business. And you saw a little bit of that today. Today, we're going to learn how to get more notary work in a fraction of the time using artificial intelligence. And more specifically, how to use ChatGPT to optimize your Google business profile to get more notary work with only 35 minutes a week so you can make more money and have free time. This is part of a 3-part series that we're going to be teaching on ChatGPT. So you're going to get the goods today. We're going to make sure that this is info-packed so you can actually build your business. I want to spend a little bit of time going over what AI is. And AI is like having the smartest assistants on staff working for you at no cost to you. Having AI is like having a marketing expert so you can get more customers, a sales copywriter so you can be more persuasive, a social media manager so you can always know what to post and to engage potential customers, a website editor so people can find you online, a researcher, a business advisor, even a personal assistant so you have more balance in your life. AI has the power to do all of these, and we're going to share a few of the tips that you can implement in your business today to get more business. The bottom line is that artificial intelligence equals more free time and more money. Before using artificial intelligence, a lot of times you'll spend a lot of time marketing and not a lot of time actually going out and doing business or even spending time with your family. And what happens is when we get into business, and this happened to me when I first started getting into business, is I didn't know how to market. And so I'd spend a lot of time marketing. And when you use artificial intelligence, it makes you 10 times more efficient. So the time that you spend marketing is drastically reduced, which gives you more time actually meeting with customers, doing business, making money with them, and also more time with your family. And we're going to demonstrate that here on how you can optimize your Google Business Profile. Okay, so speaking of Google Business Profile, if you have a Google Business Profile, but you're not in the Google Business 3-pack, which is the top 3 listings, pay attention. This will get you into the 3-pack, guaranteed. What you're going to learn today is how to use artificial intelligence to get into the Google 3-pack. Again, the Google 3-pack is very important. It is the top 3 listings when somebody searches notary near me, or apostille near me, or field inspector near me, or permit runner near me. When they search that, Google will provide 3 listings right out the gate. It's called the Google 3-pack. Being in the 3-pack means that you get weekly calls for notary work. Why? Because there's 1 billion notarizations that occur every year, and how people find notaries to do that work is through Google search. We taught this last year, and as you can see, these are some of our students. They're getting plenty of work from Google Business Profile. They're getting calls from Google Business Profile. They're in the top 3. Lindsay said her goal was to beat all the UPS stores. She teched, and she's number 1, and she learned it from what we taught in the conference. And guys, we're a loan signing system. We teach loan signing agent type stuff, but those notarizations, don't sleep on those because of the general notary work. People are making hundreds of dollars with that as well per appointment. What do you need? Number 1, you need a Google Business Profile. Yes. So if you don't have a Google Business Profile, number 1, go to google.com/business. And of course, watch the complete notary mentorship training. That training is going to walk you through the initial setup of that too, because there's some important steps in there. Then you're also going to need ChatGPT. There's a number of tools you can use. ChatGPT was kind of the first to market. It's the one that there's a lot of tutorials on it. There's a lot of information on it. We're also going to be covering Bard and Jasper in future trainings. But what you need here is ChatGPT, and it's free. And then you just need 35 minutes a week. If you have these 3 things, you can get business as a notary. There are 5 things that you should be doing for your Google Business Profile every week. You need to update the services that you provide. So if you're do loan signings and then all of a sudden started learning apostilles, now you know how to do an apostille. then you would update your services in your Google Business Profile. You need to get and respond to reviews. This is one of the more important things. Post photos, you'll see how big of an impact that is. We'll cover that here in this training. And you need to turn your Q&A into your FAQ. Basically, there's a Q&A part of the Google Business Profile, and you are going to create questions and answers and turn it into an FAQ, just like how we have an FAQ on our website before somebody purchases. And then the last thing is you're going to create posts about your business. And this is one of the most important ways to let Google know that you are in business. And because that's so important, we're going to start right there. Here, we're going to show you how you don't have to ever write another post about your business. Okay, so now this is ChatGPT. This is what it looks like. When you sign up, it just takes you right to this page. And at the bottom, there is a little kind of chat box, message box. We have a prompt, okay? And by the way, whenever we go over the prompt mastery part of this, we're going to share with you all of the different tones and all of the different styles of writing. So you just literally select which one represents me. We're asking ChatGPT to do work for us. Please create 5 compelling and long Google Business Profile posts. We have parameters on it. We tell them what type of tone of voice, what type of style of writing. The more description that you can give your employee, the better the result. We added the prompt, we pressed enter. We're asking for 5 posts for Google Business Profile. ChatGPT has now created 5 posts that we can post to our Google Business Profile, and it's still going. It's on its 4th. It's on the last one, and now it's done. In 30 seconds, it created 5 posts for the Google Business Profile. So literally, in 5 minutes, you can create a single post, no problem, every single week or every single day. This is the best way to tell Google that you are in business because you're posting actively for your business. And it's the best way to tell Google what your business is. So when somebody searches notary near me or whatever it might be, by you creating this post in 2 seconds with ChatGPT, now you have a higher chance that they call you because you're going to be in a Google 3-pack. Let's talk about prompts. Prompts are the key to using ChatGPT properly. You want to think of ChatGPT like they are your employee, and you have to basically tell it to do the work. And the more specific you are, the better result you're going to get. So I wanted to provide an example of what a bad prompt is versus a good prompt. So a bad prompt is simply going to ChatGPT and saying, create 5 Google Business Profile posts for my mobile notary business. And a good prompt is this one right here. And you can see we're talking about writing style. We're talking about tone of voice. We're talking about length. We're talking about additional instructions. There's actually 9 things that are important to include in a prompt. Okay, and you're going to see the result of this. I'm going to start with just create 5 Google Business Profile posts for my mobile notary business. And you can see here, really boring, really short. There's no clear keywords. There's no clear call to actions. And now we're going to go ahead and put in our good prompt. And as you can see here, we have clear call to actions, very engaging post, photo ideas. When I see this, I would definitely feel like the person is more engaged in their business than the other one. Okay, so this is really important for you to make sure that you have the right prompts. As you saw, there's a difference between a good prompt and a bad prompt. And we have created over 50 prompts you can use in your business right away, right out of the box. So you could start using ChatGPT and AI to reduce the time you spend on marketing and get better results. You're also going to get the Prompt Engineer 9-point framework. What is that? We're just going to give you the secret of how to create a prompt. So if it's not on one of the 50 prompts, then you can create your own prompt. You're going to know exactly what to do. It's almost fill in the blank with all the options. So this is literally 10% of what you need to know about using AI and automating your business. What we're going to give you at conference this year for the first time ever is a step-by-step plan for getting business. And you saw a little bit of that today, of how you can get business with Google Business Profile. And we're going to give you the rest of that at conference. We're also going to teach you how to get direct business with email marketing in just 35 minutes a week. We're going to give you how you can create blogs on your website so people find you. and you do it with ChatGPT. And then we're going to teach you social media marketing to strengthen your relationship so people know that you're active in your business. And then finally, we'll teach you how to manage your business and your family through ChatGPT so you can finally achieve balance. And basically, this is a step-by-step. If you spend 35 minutes a day, 5 days a week, you will achieve total business and life transformation by attending this conference.
Oh my gosh, how amazing was that training? Look, this is just the beginning of what you're gonna learn. So I wanna let you guys know that he is also gonna be a guest speaker at this year's Loan Signing System Conference on July 29th and 30th. So if you like what you just saw, you have to learn for an hour from him at the conference. He's giving you some amazing prompts that will change your business even more. I'm talking about using AI for your website, Google Business Profile, creating logos, every single thing that you can imagine. And he's only gonna be teaching the second part of his training at this year's conference. But the good news is it will be live streamed for your viewing pleasure. No airplane ticket, no hotel costs, from the comfort of your couch, your own food, whatever you got to do from the comfort of your own home. He's going to be covering ChatGPT and Jarvis and Bard and Logo AI. He's going to teach you exactly how to use all these. So click the link below because it's only going to be covered at this year's Loan Signing Systems live streamed conference. So get the conference. I promise you, it's just one of them amazing panels and education you're going to learn. But look, artificial intelligence is here. You need to learn how to take advantage of the entire ecosystem of artificial intelligence products and services at your fingertip. Again, Roman's gonna be covering all of this. He's a digital marketing expert. I want you guys to be there for part 2. So click the link below. It's gonna be an absolute game changer. So I'm excited for you. Get the rest of this training amongst so many other things. Click the link down below. I'll see you at the live stream. Let's go.